What's up guys, Luis here from Alibi Security, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add an SD card, like this little bitty micro SD card, into a Cloud VS camera. And I do have 3 different Cloud VS cameras here on the table. I have a bullet, a mini dome, and a regular dome camera. So I'm going to show you how to insert the SD card on all 3 of these cameras, and also how to format it and get it ready in the Cloud VS dashboard. Okay, so starting with the bullet camera, all you have to do is turn the camera over. There is a lid on the back of it. Remove those 2 security screws, and right inside the lid there, you will notice that there is an SD card slot available. Moving over to the mini dome camera, you want to also remember to remove those security screws there. And once you do, go ahead and take the lid off, and right underneath the lens of the camera, you will notice that there is an SD card slot right there. And lastly, moving over to the dome camera, you want to go ahead and remove those 3 security screws as usual. And on the side of the camera here, you will notice that there is a circuit board. And on that circuit board, there is an SD card slot available. All right, so now that I get a good clear view there, I'm gonna go ahead and put the SD card in. Once you have the card in, you can replace the dome cover back on the camera. I'm not gonna secure it just yet. All right, so now that the SD card is inserted into the camera, if you log into your Alibi Cloud VS dashboard via the internet and go ahead and log in, as you can see here, I have couple zones here, but the test zone is the camera that we're working with today. So if I go over to the right hand side of that camera, I hit the settings option, and then over to the left we go to recording. And then when you're in the recording section here, as you can see, it does display the SD card information under Edge Storage Status, but right now it's giving us an error message. This is because it's a brand new SD card, so all we need to do is hit the format option. It's going to give you a warning there. Just hit confirm. And we're just going to wait for that to format. Shouldn't take too long. Okay, so now that the SD card is formatted, we want to go down to Edge Storage Cloud Sync. And here I'm going to go ahead and toggle that on. It's going to give you some information to remind you that to make sure your camera is set to continuous recording in order for this to work properly. So we'll hit confirm. And now that is turned on. So what that's going to do is the camera will check every 24 hours to see if there's any missing footage in the cloud. If there is missing footage, it'll reach out to the SD card and put that footage exactly in the correct spot in your cloud recordings. And down here on the bottom, we have Edge Storage synchronization jobs. And what that's going to do is tell you how many times that it's actually accessed the SD card and put that footage up in the cloud for you. And looking back at the Edge Storage status, you can see it does show you the capacity of the card and the status is ready. Everything is good to go. Keep in mind that the SD card backup on these cameras is ANR backup, which means automatic network replenishment. What that means is that it will take the footage from the SD card and automatically push it up to the cloud to kind of have it safe and secure there. So also keep in mind that if you're using these cameras on a PoE switch and you want that complete redundant backup, make sure to use an uninterrupted power supply so you can connect that to the PoE switch. So if you do lose power for 5, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, at least the UPS power system will keep the cameras up and running during that time. Overall, adding SD card to our Cloud VS cameras is a really simple process. Just want to make sure you have those hex keys and those security keys that come with the camera so you can get those lids off and insert those cards. After that, it's just a matter of hitting that format button on the dashboard of Cloud VS, and then you're ready to go. So if you have any questions on this process, please feel free to reach out to our tech support team. And then if you haven't already, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button so you can get notified when new videos are available.